Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signal or dead zones in your home, this video will help you fix it quickly. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the strong 750 dual band repeater step by step using the WPS button method. This guide is perfect for beginners who want a quick and simple Wi-Fi extender setup. Follow this easy guide to extend your Wi-Fi signal and improve internet coverage throughout your home or office. The video explains the WPS connection process in a clear and easy way. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, insert the strong 750 repeater into a wall power socket. After plugging it in, the power LED light will turn on. Other LED lights may start blinking for a few seconds. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the repeater finishes starting up. When the device is ready, the LED indicator lights become stable or slowly blinking. Now check your main Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The WPS button is usually labeled as WPS, WPS/reset or Wi-Fi protected setup. Most routers have this button on the back or side panel. Press the WPS button on your router once. After pressing it, the router will start searching for nearby WPS devices. You normally have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. The WPS indicator light on the router may start blinking. Now go to the strong 750 repeater. Find the WPS button on the repeater. Press the button once. After pressing it, the WPS LED light on the repeater will begin blinking. This means the repeater is searching for the router signal. The repeater and router will now start communicating automatically. During the next 1 to 2 minutes, the devices will exchange information. The repeater will automatically copy these settings from the router: Wi-Fi network name, SSID, Wi-Fi password, or security encryption settings. While this is happening, the LED lights on the repeater may blink repeatedly. When the connection is complete, the signal LED on the repeater becomes solid, steady light. The blinking stops. This means the repeater has successfully connected to the router. The repeater is now ready to extend your Wi-Fi signal. After setup, the repeater creates a new Wi-Fi network. Example: main Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi or extended Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi_xt. These networks are broadcast by the repeater. After the setup is complete, move the repeater to improve coverage. Unplug the repeater from the socket. Place it between the router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.